and I'll do one quick loop all the way round. I can place my bag in there. Get this. Now, people use these for embroidery machines, and I did actually have mine made for my embroidery machine. And so just watch how cool this is. So I can lift my machine up and place my bag under there. So it's like an extended free arm. Right, got my pins in. I'm going to just go around. And when we get to the end, just go over the first row of stitches. Don't trim anything off. Lift the presser foot and the needles out and chain away. Like that. So, got my turning hole, just pull everything through.